This is an iWeather First alert.
Good afternoon, you're watching iWeather First. I'm meteorologist Richie Pergolese. Here's our tropical update for the day. Really busy out here in the Atlantic. We could see Tropical Storm Idalia right over here, Hurricane Franklin just moving north of Bermuda now, and a newly formed Tropical Storm Jose, which formed overnight. Tropical disturbance just to the left of there has a 30% chance of development over the next 3 to 5 days. Here's the latest on Tropical Storm Idalia. If you could think still a tropical storm, it has not gone down that tropical storm mark since yesterday. And we can see here right now winds of 60 miles per hour moving east-northeast at 20. That's fairly quick for the storm, which is good because as we can see here in our water vapor satellite imagery, this shows the moisture from the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere. You can see those green colors on your screen. That's all the moisture from this storm, and that's causing a lot of rain on the radar. It's very busy. Looks like Mardi Gras. Look at all these reds, yellows, and greens on here, and we got a lot of flash flood watches and warnings in effect for a lot of the coastal regions of North Carolina. And the National Hurricane Center still has a tropical storm warning in effect all the way from North Carolina, from the tip of the state all the way down through South Carolina, about mid-halfway as well. And with that, we still have a flash flooding risk. If you're around Hatteras and some of these stretching all the way to Raleigh-Durham, you still have a chance of that, so don't let your guard down. Turn around, don't drown when you see flooded roadways. Storm surge outlook here, Beaufort Inlet all the way up through Oracoke Inlet, 2 to 4 feet of storm surge still expected here, and it's already been a busy night. You guys have been through a lot over the last 12 hours. It's still not over yet. Pamlico and Pungo rivers 2 to 4 feet. Lewis and Bay rivers still 2 to 4 feet as well. Now back here at home, this is the latest on the power outages. We still have at least over 100,000 customers still without power after the storm. You can see in these red colors on your screen, this just shows you the density of how many homes have been without power here. You see a lot of them, especially in Leon and Gadsden counties as well. And here's Georgia. You could see this line, it looks like, of all these outages that Idalia laid in its wake here, as we can see, and we have about 200,000 customers still without power for those areas too. Now let's get to the very latest National Hurricane Center forecast track. Like I said before, winds sustained 60 miles per hour, moving east-northeast at 20. Very fast for a storm here. And we can see here in the forecast, now it's shifted more north. So around Sunday, Monday, that's when the island of Bermuda may be having a tropical storm knocking on its door. And these are the arrival times. So the National Hurricane Center thinks around Friday evening, that's when conditions are going to start going downhill for the island of Bermuda. So you want to make sure you make your preparations now if you haven't already. Now back here at home, here's our 7-day forecast for South Florida. Absolutely gorgeous going into the weekend here with highs in the lower 90s. Very nice beach and boating days as well. And as we get into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, look at that, clears up very nice with rain chances into the 20 percentiles. Very nice out there. That's the latest here from iWeather First. I'm Richie Pergolese.